Hi students, problem number 10. In a series RL circuit, the resistance and the inductive reactance are the same. That means XL is equal to R. Then the phase difference between the voltage and current in the circuit has to be determined. Very direct question and very simple. See, normally we write the equation to find the phase difference. Tan phi is equal to XL minus XC divided by R. Here the term XC does not exist because it is an RL circuit, not RLC. Therefore, this is right hand side is XL divided by R. So what is given? It is given that R is equal to XL. Reactance and inductive reactance are the same. Therefore, tan phi is equal to 1. This ratio will be equal to 1. So, phi is equal to tan inverse of 1. So, that is equal to 45 degree and that is equal to pi by 4. So, option A is the right answer. Therefore, option A is the right answer. I hope you must have understood well. Fine.